Hello citizens and welcome to Crazy Town. I am your mayor, Minister Danielle K. Anderson, and here we talk about spirituality, silliness, self-improvement, and stuff I like. In this video we are moving on with the series on Cartomancy with the 7 of Clubs. In this system, the 7 of Clubs is called the Prisoner. And now with a name like that, it should not come as a surprise that this card represents a feeling of confinement or being trapped. This could be metaphorical, like feeling stuck in a dead-end job or a relationship going nowhere. Depending on who this reading is for, it could actually be a sign of someone in real legal trouble or currently in jail. That does it for the 7 of Clubs. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, and if you have any questions, put them down in the comments below. Finally, if you're brand new to the channel, subscribe so that you can know when the next video comes out. In the meantime, check out these videos, and I'll see you next time in the cards.